This video is part of the ADFS Migration Challenges series. And today we will talk about location selection for the ADFS software that will be used for authentication of users with Infor Lawson products such as LSF and Landmark. Location of the ADFS software will be driven by your business and technical requirements, and we suggest involving your Windows support and network security folks in such discussion early in the process. So where can you install ADFS software that will be used with Infor Lawson? You may already have corporate ADFS servers, and you may decide that you want to use them for Infor Lawson authentication as well. You may also decide to use ADFS server instance dedicated to Infor Lawson application, but keep it on a separate server or virtual machine. Finally, you may decide to install ADFS software on one of the existing servers currently used by some of the Lawson components, such as Mingle server. In this video, I will discuss factors that may influence your decision about the ADFS software location. Location of the ADFS software will be driven by many factors, some business-related and others will be technology-related. For instance, Infor currently supports ADFS versions 2.0, 2.1, and 3.0 with Infor Lawson and Landmark products. So if your corporate ADFS is on Windows 2016 servers, meaning you use ADFS version 4.0, you cannot use that ADFS instance with Infor Lawson environments. On the other hand, if your Active Directory forest contains only Windows 2008 domain controllers, you may need to check whether additional schema extensions are installed in your Active Directory, so higher versions of ADFS, such as 3.0, can be used with your Active Directory. Some Infor products and versions may drive the architectural decisions as well. For instance, with Mingle 11, you must install Infor software component on the same server that runs ADFS software, while there is no such requirement with Mingle 12. If you decide to install ADFS on an existing Lawson server, such as Mingle SharePoint server, you will need to verify that it has enough hardware resources, such as disk space and memory, to accommodate ADFS software, and depending on your SQL configuration, an extra SQL database. Note also that local administrators of the server where ADFS is installed may be able to modify some of the ADFS configuration. And since ADFS will allow other applications to authenticate to Active Directory, you may need to provide extra security for the server where ADFS is installed. ADFS, along with related Infor components and databases, must be backed up on a regular basis. Finally, you should discuss high availability and disaster recovery aspects of the ADFS implementation early in the planning stage, since configuration of the Infor components will differ somewhat if you decide to use ADFS farm. Analysts can help your company with all aspects of ADFS authentication planning, implementation, and migration. For more information, please contact analysts. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to be notified of the new podcasts. This video podcast is brought to you by Analysts, bridging the gap between strategy and IT. Analysts is part of the ACS group. My name is Alex Tsehansky.